Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute low-impact cardio workout using just body weight. I'm going to lead you through it, and we're going to start out with one-legged jumping jacks. Get ready to stick your leg straight out to the side and go. Stick your leg straight out, hands over your head, touching your fingers above your head. Notice one leg is under me at all times, no bouncing, and you'll get your heart rate up just about as much as regular jumping jacks, except without the bounce. Don't forget to breathe. I breathe every other jumping jack. Stop and down. Crossbody mountain climbers. Mountain climbers going knee to the opposite elbow. Get ready and go. Knee to the opposite elbow. Go, go, go. Fast as you can. Nice regular breathing. Don't forget to breathe. Fantastic. Stop. Now go to your knees and shake your shoulders out a little bit because you're going to still stay down. We're going to go low kick through. You'll be in the plank again. Left hand to right foot and right hand to left foot. Go. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. You don't really actually have to touch your foot. As long as you touch your ankle, that's okay. And now remember, you're going to be doing 2 plank exercises in your row, so you're going to really work on that chest and shoulders holding your body up. So hang in there. Stop and up. High knee climbers, get ready to do high knees from your waist down. And we'll do ladder climb for your waist up. Go, and you can go this speed or faster depending on how much impact that you can take. But notice still 1 foot's on the ground at a time. Raise your arms above your head and high knees below your waist. Stop, and that's the order. It's not going to change. One-legged jumping jacks. Here we go. Get ready to stick that left leg straight out to the side and go. Left leg, right leg, hands above your head, touching them. Okay, I want you to open up that rotator cuff by raising your hands all the way above your head and touching your fingers over your head. Good. Stop and down. Crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go. Knee to the opposite elbow. You're not going to get it all the way up there, but that's the direction it should point. Try to drive that knee up as high as you can. And notice 1 foot's on the ground at a time, so it's minimum bounce. Actually, you're not even going really up and down. You're going back and forth horizontally. Stop. Shake the shoulders out and low kick through. 2 plank exercises in a row. Get ready. Go. Left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot, or ankle. Don't hold your breath. Don't forget to breathe. Great for your balance too. This one's fantastic for your balance as well as upper body strength and your core. You got to tighten your core while you're doing this. Stop and up. High knee climbers. Get ready. Go. Drive that knee up high. And if you can go full speed, go full speed. If you can't, just do marching. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Good. Stop. Okay, we're going to take a 30-second break right here. I want you to take a sip of water if you got it. Take some deep breaths. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, need you to get ready for round 2. Same thing, second verse, same as the first. 10 seconds. We're going to start out with those one-legged jumping jacks. Get ready. And go. Left leg out and then right leg out. Raising those hands above your head, touching your fingers above your head. Full range of motion. Don't forget to breathe. I think I exhale every other jumping jack. Oxygen is your friend. Don't forget to breathe. Stop and down, crossbody mountain climbers once more. Get ready. Go, driving those knees to the opposite elbow. Fast as you can. Just like you're running, except you're parallel to the ground. Holding yourself up, tightening that core. Stop, go to your knees, shake out your shoulders, shake out your arms, because you're gonna plank again when you do the low kick through. Get ready. And go, left hand, right foot in, right hand, left foot. Fast as you can. Really good for your balance, good for your core, good for your upper body strength. Stop and up, high knee climbers. Now really go with this one, get ready. Go, high knees and ladder climb, and what I like to do is pretend like I'm climbing up the side of a building and King Kong is under me, climbing up after me. That's your urgency. Climb, climb, climb. Stop and one-legged jumping jacks. You're almost done. Finish up strong. Get ready. Go, left leg and then right leg, sticking that leg straight out. One leg always under you at all times, touching those fingers above your head. Form is important. Do not sacrifice form for speed. And be smooth, because smooth is fat. Stop and down. Crossbody mountain climbers. Get ready. Go, crossbody mountain climbers. Drive, drive, drive. Good. Fast as you can. Don't forget to breathe. Stop, go to your knees, shake those arms and shoulders out. You're gonna plank again for the low kick through. Get ready. Go, left hand, right foot, and right hand, left foot. Hold yourself up. Keep that core tight. Don't forget to breathe fast as you can with good form. Working on everything here, your balance, your strength, and driving up that heart rate. Stop and up, high knee climbers. And go. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb with your arms. Reach up over your head. I need to reach up higher. Reach up high over your head. Go, go, go. All right. Way to go. Stop. Hey, you know, if this workout is too short for you, all you got to do is rewind it, and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.